There's no filters on this sunset. Look at that. It's crazy. Here's the morning glories again. They are so pretty in the morning. Not sure why they only bloom in the morning, but that's how they are. I wait all day. And it's funny because when they're closed, they kind of look like pink, purple. But when they open, they're just bright blue. We were gone for a couple of days over the weekend, just a little weekend trip, and some of my plants didn't fare very well. They're not looking the greatest. I need to get some 7 dust to put on. Looks like I've got a little bug issue. And this one just didn't make it. I mean, I don't know if it's dead completely, but I'm gonna try to save it. I've got some 7, but it's the granules that I put around, but that didn't seem to help. I did pick a bunch of green beans yesterday, so we've still got green beans coming. It's just the, yeah, see there's some holes in there. Got a little bug problem. I need to go to the hardware store anyway and get a little chick starter for the baby chicks. So I'll get some 7 dust while I'm there to protect my little cabbage plants. Okay, over here, I was walking out and there was a snake, and it went back in to the firewood. We never did find it. It never did come back out. But as I was coming down the steps, it was right there, like right at the bottom of the steps. I was on this step here, and I was fixing to step down. I would have literally stepped right on it. It just blended in so well. It's crazy. But Troy got back in there, and I don't know, we saw it go in the firewood, but never saw it come back out. It's a perfect place to hide, though. All those cracks and crevices in there, but you just gotta be ever vigilant because they're here. They're here. You just you just don't see them every day. That's what I tell people about the coast, because we go fishing a lot. Surf fishing out in the ocean, and they're like, oh, don't you worry about sharks. I said, the sharks are there. You don't have to see them for them to be there. They're there. But I just don't think that snakes are not the ones in our area. They don't go, oh, there's a human, let me chase it and bite it. It's not what they're here for. They're here to, you know, survive and do their thing. Been working on a few little things. I made some little churches. Pretty cute. I need to, in order to finish it, I think I need to put a little door here. Here's one using one with the tan reef. They're pretty cute. But I do think they need a door to finish them off. So I made some before. See, like this one up here. Okay, see how it has the little door on it. I think that just kind of finishes it out a little bit. All right, let's look for a little thin piece of wood that we can make some doors out of. This looks like a good candidate. Or it's about the same. But I kind of want a little bit of a different shape. Not quite a point, but maybe a V. Because this is what I used kind of for the steeple. And I just kind of took and kind of almost rounded that off a little bit. So that's kind of what I would like here. But the door itself, yeah, I mean, that's plenty wide enough there. Take that shape. Just kind of go up. And I can round it off on the with the sander. Alright, just to show the finished product, here's the little churches, here's the little doors that we made, and I think it makes just enough difference. When you see it standing up there, the shape of the door kind of matches the shape of the steeple a little bit. But here they are, finished, cute.